the sombreros, the colors, the tacos, and of course the beer. Who doesn't love celebrating Cinco de Mayo? And when you consider the similarities, living at Margaritaville has a few things in common with this Mexican holiday. I'm here with resident owner and Mexican-American, Eduardo. Hello, Eduardo.
Hello, my friend.
Thank you so much for joining us. So, can you clarify for our friends out there, is Cinco de Mayo the Mexican 4th of July?
No, that's a misconception. Actually, it's a celebration of the victory of the Battle of Puebla. Although it is a very celebrated holiday, our actual Independence Day occurs on September 16th.
In the month of September?
Yeah, that's the anniversary of the Grito de Dolores, a speech and battle cry uttered by Roman Catholic priest Miguel Hidalgo y Costilla in 1810 that inspired the movement that ultimately freed Mexico from Spanish rule.
Wow. So is May 4th still celebrated as National Star Wars Day?
Absolutely, absolutely. We start out on the 4th and we end up on the 5th. We party all night and we just trade our lightsabers for modelos.
Modelos.
Yeah.
What's
You never
that?
heard of the Modelo beer?
Cerveza. Oh, I get it. Well, cheers to that. And today, we're going to take a twist on a traditional Mexican dish with a Margaritaville-styled flavor, and then we'll pair it with a margarita using the celebrated ingredient of tequila.
Oh my God, I can't wait to taste it.
Well, you can't taste it until we have ingredients, and we've got our ingredients here, so why don't we walk our friends through these amazing ingredients.
Let's do it.
We've got our tortillas.
Some mahi.
Yes, some chopped lettuce.
Oh, pico de gallo.
Absolutely. How about this mango chutney? That looks good.
And one of my favorites, cilantro.
Ooh, cilantro's very nice. We've also got the habanero aioli.
Ah, and queso blanco.
That's white cheese.
It sure is.
And we're gonna top it all off with some lime.
Also known as limon in Spanish.
Really?
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, Eduardo, let's build some tacos.
Let's do it.
I'll start. I like to take my protein and put it on there first, and then cover it with some lettuce. Just kind of get the basics out of the way. I think that's good enough for me. And then of course we'll take our pico, and we'll kind of get a healthy portion on there. How would you start your taco?
Well, I don't know. I would start out here with my mahi here.
Okay.
And then, of course, I put a little cheese on it because
Oh.
I want it to melt.
Oh, you
it's
like
on
cheese
the-
melt?
Yeah,
Okay, very good,
absolutely.
very good, very
and
good.
then throw a little mango chutney on it.
Nice.
Very nice, very nice. Kind of gets it all glazed up and,
Yeah.
and melted and so forth.
Okay.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah,
Love
that's
that.
looking good. Looking really good.
Yeah.
Okay, I like this idea of having the chutney in with my pico to kind of mix those flavors together. So you get a little spice in there with a little bit of heat. Wow. So that's always good for me. And then I'm just gonna double up on that heat. I'm gonna go over here to the habanero aioli and just kind of stack it up on there. So that's really good. And then, you know, we've had some solids, then we go to a couple of the liquids and the sauces. I'm just gonna take a little bit of dash of this cilantro. I'm just gonna, this was really finely chopped. Or did that, did a great job on that.
honorary Mexican there.
You think so?
Yeah, absolutely. You just taught me something new.
I'm taking that as a compliment. Where would you go with yours next?
I don't know. I would go with the pico de gallo
Okay.
next, right? And then
That looks super colorful already.
throw a little bit of this habanero aioli here.
Yeah.
Make that nice and soaked there, and then just top it off with this amazing cilantro. And then, of course, some limon.
Limon.
Right? Limon.
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 Also known as lime.
Oh, I get it.
Yes.
Like the color of your shirt.
Exactly.
All right, very cool. So
Right.
you grab some lime there, and now would you use like the whole thing or just a little dash?
Oh, I would use the whole thing.
A lot of it up
Yes,
there.
Absolutely.
Okay.
A lot of flavor, my friend.
Very nice. So I'm gonna finish mine off with a little of this queso blanco. That's white cheese, by the way.
Yes, it is.
Yep. Just gonna sprinkle that on top there. I just like that texture as I'm first biting into the taco, and it kind of solidifies everything for me. And then, of course, like you, I am a limon fan,
There you go, man.
and I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit on there. Make sure. Oh, almost lost it.
It's a little jumper.
This is a little jumper there. Here we go. We don't want to waste any of that anywhere. And that, my friend, these are very diverse, but the same also. These are some good-looking tacos. So we're gonna leave this last tortilla for our friends out there at Margaritaville. So you guys get to choose which one of these amazing bistro tacos you want to create, kind of like the ones we did, but you're gonna add your own flair to it. Okay, Eduardo, we've got our tacos, and now it's time for a little beverage.
Good idea.
I'm thinking margarita.
Ooh, yeah.
Yes, I'll go grab some. I have them on the side. Before I go, tequila. was it really from Mexico?
Oh, wow. Well, the first versions of tequila date back to 1000 BC. The tequila we know and love today didn't start off the way we know it now. In its earliest version, it was known as pulque and was made from the fermented sap of the agave plant by the Aztec civilization in what is now northern Mexico.
I love it. A history lesson and beverages. Who says you can't have it all? Well, it looks like we are ready to celebrate Cinco de Mayo, ladies and gentlemen, Margaritaville style. Isn't that going to be a good time?
Absolutely.
Here is cheers to you. Whoa, almost dropped it there.
Yeah.
Cheers to you and
to
to
you.
everybody out there in Margaritaville.
Feliz Cinco de Mayo.
What does that mean?
Means happy Cinco de Mayo.
Oh,
Cheers.
for this amazing recipe, make sure you check out our blog. And for more delicious recipes,
Check out the Margaritaville cookbook.
happy Cinco de Mayo, everyone.